I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you choose a faceless video format that still works when your research quality varies week to week? My answer is pick a format that is modular, not research hungry. A lot of beginners accidentally choose mini documentary formats. Those look great when a topic has deep source material, but they collapse fast when the research is thin. What you want instead is a format built around a strong claim, not endless detail. Here's the decision rule. If you can make a solid video from 3 reliable sources, 1 concrete example, and 1 useful takeaway, the format is resilient. If the format only works when you have a full timeline, hidden backstory, and 10 amazing visuals, it's fragile. The structure I recommend is simple. Hook with the core question, make 1 clear thesis, give 3 proof blocks, then end with the implication or lesson. On strong research weeks, those proof blocks get deeper. On weak research weeks, they stay shorter and more comparative. The format still holds. Also check the visual side. Good, resilient, faceless formats can be supported by charts, screenshots, timelines, B-roll, motion graphics, and simple on-screen callouts. If your format needs rare footage every time, that's another failure point. Inside Satura, we usually build this as a repeatable script template, so the production system stays stable even when topic depth doesn't. So the short version is, don't choose the most impressive format. Choose the one that still makes sense on your average research week.